Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through on how you can create a Gmail account without phone number verification. How to create a Gmail account without phone number verification. I'm gonna explain to you. We're gonna practicalize it, how you can create a Gmail account without phone number verification. For those who have been looking for a way to create a Gmail account without using their phone number, or you have used your phone number and exceeded the numbers of times you can use your phone number, and you still want to create a Gmail account, this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how you can create a Gmail account with phone number verification. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you here. My name is Abraham. I upload videos on how you can grow your YouTube channel, how you can create a website, how you can grow your Instagram account, how to make money online and general. So now you want to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new videos. Let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to head over to your browser. I use Chrome to browse. Head over to your browser. Okay, you search for Gmail login or Gmail sign in, anyone. You click on this. Though I have already logged in my email to this Chrome, so I'm gonna log out first. Then I'll now go back to where we should be. In your own Chrome, you might not get all this where I am now. If you have not logged in any email to your Chrome, then if you click on the sign in, it's gonna bring you to something like this. So this is something like this after searching for the sign in. So because I've already logged in, so I'm gonna just come back here. Okay, now I'm already. So we're gonna click on this create account. Click on it, create account. You see, for my child, for myself, for my child, for my business. Then you're going to click on for my business. For my business, we're going to create a dummy account. You just create a dummy account. Make sure you don't use dummy, so Google won't think it's a dummy account. Just use your random name. Let me just use Grace Favor. Just use your random name, or Grace Favor 10001234. Here's your random password. Just your random password. Remember, this is a dummy account. This is a dummy account. Just going to create a dummy. Just add a symbol, make it unique. Make sure you always add a symbol to your Gmail account while registering. Even in any way you're registering online, make sure you add the symbol, so it's very hard for hackers to crack your password. Then now let's click on next. You're gonna see now I'm not gonna use any phone number to verify this account, and I'll create this account successfully without a phone number. Make sure you always add a recovery email address. There's no way you can verify. There's no way you can recover this account if you don't add a recovery email. This account is already without a phone number. So if you don't add the recovery email, you might lose the account. Let's say you forgot the password and you want to recover it back. There's no way you can recover it back without the recovery email. So we're gonna add this email address, so if you want to recover the account back. So let's click on day. This is 11. I'm gonna use 1990. I'm a male. I'm gonna use male. You can see there's nothing here. There's nothing in this section here. No phone number there. So now I'm gonna click on next. So we're gonna see with our eyes whether it's gonna load successfully or not. So click on next. So while we wait for it to load, please support me by smashing the like button. This will help me to do more videos like this. It will motivate me to do more videos like this. You can see now successfully I've created a Google account without a phone number. I didn't add any phone number to verify the account, and I've already created a Google account successfully. So to be fully assured that I've created this account without a phone number, I'm going to click on I agree. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Wow. I have successfully created a Gmail account, a Google account without phone number verification. You can see the Google account is all set. Now add your business profile. You know, it is a created business account, so that's why it's showing something like this, and this doesn't matter. So just log in this email that you created in the Gmail app and start receiving mails. So, and that will be the end of this tutorial. So, and I hope you have gained something from this video. Please like this video, smash the like button to support me, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do so now by clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching my videos. Hoping to see you in our next video. Goodbye.